there, and welcome to this new rap series. It's super nice to have another Miata back in the garage. It's been far too long. I'm sure just posting up on the social medias with all the pictures of this car, people are going to be going apeshit. Oh my god, you got another Miata. I'm afraid I have not. This here belongs to my good friend Ryan Sauer, who runs Redline Group Realty, and I will link his page down below as well. I've very much been looking forward to this rap series for the past couple weeks while I've been working with him to design a full livery. So, in this series, I'm going to be doing quite a few different projects on this car. I've mentioned in a previous video, I have basically gotten a couple different parts sponsored out to Ryan through Carbon Miata. We'll be installing basically like my ND Miata, if you remember that past series. I had basically fog lights that are built into the grill, and so I'll be installing a Carbon Miata's nice grill into this car and doing a full installation video for that and how to wire the lights and connect your switch. So that'd be cool. Another gnarly piece that I have going in is from Revlimiter. I've got a really great looking pair of gauge faces going into this car. It's the JNC style, Japanese nostalgia car. Such a great look. Had a set in my NA years ago. So of course the main focus of this series being the wrap. I'm going to go ahead and show you exactly what I have designed for Ryan's car and how we're going to accomplish this. So I'm going to pop this on the screen here. And basically what I've designed for this is, you have a red line going down the side of it, quite literally. And I believe this will be the first part of this wrap project that I'm going to be taking care of, is exactly how I'm going to be placing the red line. Of course, on top of that, I have Ryan's main logo, which I will be having printed on wrap vinyl. And of course, all the different sponsor logos going on it. This is kind of just a placeholder that I've designed on this mock-up here. And, I'm basically going to be putting those onto the car and deciding where they go on time of installation. But, yeah. All right, so first step in this, of course, is getting this car clean. As of right now, it is absolutely filthy. So I'm going to go ahead and get the sucker clean and probably start working on the stripes. I don't know if I'm going to continue on with this video as this is just the introduction, or if I'll start that as a second process. We'll see how this goes. All right, let's get the sucker cleaned up. All right, car's all cleaned up, and that will conclude this video. So this is just an introduction video. Hope y'all stick around for the rest of this build series. Wrap series, build series, whatever. I expect this all to be completed within 2 weeks, so I should have a video out either every other day or whatever. So yeah, stick around, like, subscribe, really helps the channel. I'd surely appreciate it. Thanks for checking out this video. See y'all next one.